welcome back to my channel. This is, if you did read the title, obviously this is a Chicago vlog, and we are in the airport at LaGuardia waiting for a flight. We're actually pretty early. I think this is the earliest we've been for any of our flights. So excited to go back to Chicago. It's supposed to be warm, well, warmer than the last time we went. It's supposed to be actually spring weather. Ooh, I think our plane just got here. Almost boarding. So excited. We made it to
Chicago.
So we're on the south side right now.
South side.
South side, which is where he's from actually. That's where he was born, right? Born and raised.
That's where I was born. Born on the south side, raised on the north side. You know, best of both worlds, you know.
So I'm super excited for this weekend. It's just gonna be a weekend trip, super quick. But we're gonna be staying at this cute little boutique hotel downtown. What's the plan for today? So he made the itinerary for this entire trip. I did absolutely nothing. So it's all up to him. What are we doing today?
It's a secret. Stay tuned.
This is amazing. Look at the Chicago skyline right here. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Look at this beauty, y'all. Comment below which one you think is better, Chicago skyline or New York skyline. I'm biased. I'm gonna say New York, but this is kind of changing my mind a little bit.
Chicago.
So we finally made it to our hotel and I am gobsmacked. We got the queen room. I wasn't really super excited about the queen room just because like whenever we travel, we always get a king room, i.e. a king bed. So I wasn't super excited about getting a queen bed. But now that I'm actually inside the room, I'm like, this is it. I love it. Take a look. So you walk in and you're greeted with this full length mirror because, as I said, every hotel needs a full length mirror, period. You think that it's nothing and then you open it and realize that it's actually a whole like coffee, tea maker area. Your whole thing is right here. Open this up, it's a whole fridge / freezer. Like, that's amazing. I've never seen anything like this before. We have a queen size bed. Like I said, we're not used to traveling and sleeping on a queen. We have a queen at home. You know, I like to be spread out on vacation. But we gon' work it out. I am a sucker for some really good architecture, and I think like the way that they framed everything is just perfect. Like, look at this shot right here. Y'all know y'all about to get a picture right here. It's giving me life. Give me life, honey, life. We got an open shower, just like San Diego. I love this. Rain shower. It's just like all in the details for me. And this brass copper is just everything. Like, I love it. And then you have wash closet. Love that hotels do this, by the way. Like, every hotel should have like a wash closet. But then they have the pocket doors. I freaking love the sleek look of a pocket door. Copper pipes over here. Like, what is that? That is so cool. It's like a lava lamp. They give you a makeup towel. That's great. And some little products over here. That's really nice. I'm sold. I am 100% sold now. This is our little tour, you guys. I'm so excited to be back in Chicago with my bae and explore more of his city, meet more of his family, which should be a lot of fun. So we ordered some stuff downstairs, and we just got this notification on our TV that our item has arrived. So let's check the door. Oh, hi Cleo, what you got for me, sis? Oh, that's so freaking cool. I am all set, Cleo. Thank you so much. Amazing, amazing. Yay. Thanks, Cleo. See you later, girl. Would you like assistance with anything else? No. Bye. See you later, alligator. Oh my, this is the future, y'all. We're living in the future right now. So I'm ready to go.
Thank you for watching.
This is just a casual fit, you know what I'm saying? You over there. Come here, come here. Let's see this outfit. Look at this fit. Look. Oh, baby. We don't have to go out, babe. Here we go. We're gonna try Nobu sushi for the first time. Sushi taco. Sushi tacos.
I got a way that I do it. It's not the
Traditional way. Yeah, me too. I have to literally like set up my fingers to do it.
No, this ain't how you're supposed to do it. This is...
How do you know that's not how you do it? That looks like how you do it.
That's pretty good. Cool.
Hey.
What's up? You know, Chicago in the house, baby.
Hey, chat time. It's day 2 in Chicago. We are in Hyde Park, you guys. Exploring where Barack spent his 20s. But also, Malcolm X used to spend time here too. I didn't know that part.
Yep. Jesse Jackson, Malcolm X, Elijah Muhammad. A lot of history in Hyde Park, you know, Southside Chicago. Everybody named Mama from Chicago, you know.
Really? Like, I, like, literally. Everybody that's somebody. It's almost kind of like a black rite of passage. You ain't really black if you've never been to Chicago.
People don't know Chicago was a Black Panther, man. She was a Black Panther here in Chicago, Fred Hampton.
We're Fred Hampton. Oh, the Baskin Robbins. Yep. here goes another travel debacle. We were actually supposed to be in New York by now. Our flight was supposed to be 2:30, something like that. Then we kept on getting updates about it being delayed. First it was delayed to like 3, then it went to the 4. Our last final delay was like 7:20 or something like that. And then after that, we got another notification saying that our flight was now 3 o'clock. After we got that message about it being delayed till 7. So obviously, by the time we got that notification saying that they changed it back to like 3 o'clock, it was like 2:50. And where we're staying was quite a bit away from the airport. So obviously we weren't gonna make that flight. I don't know who was gonna be able to make that flight after them changing it multiple times. Now we're officially having another day in Chicago. We're just gonna see what we can do, chill out a little bit, maybe get dinner. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so we once again changed our minds, and now we're at the Wit. We are at the Wit Hotel. We're downtown Chicago, right in the middle of everything. So they're having like a Palestinian protest or Palestinian march. I've been seeing a lot of cars, people with the Palestinian flag, and you know, just in support of everything that's going on over there in the Palestine. I didn't know Chicago had such a big Palestinian community, but it's great to know that they do, and that there is some type of support for them. And here my man comes right now. Doesn't he look good? Look at his muscles.